Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. We're continuing on with our residential project, and on the list of drawings we have, let's see, sheets. So we have our wall sections sheet, and that's sheet 10. So I'm going to go to that sheet, and there are wall sections. I created one more here for the next exercise, because on the next sheet we have details, and that's going to be wall section details. So here I'm going to go back to my view, and there's another wall section right there. I'm going to drag and drop him on the sheet. While we haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me make these videos. So I'm going to change this scale here to 3/4. Actually, I could. Well, we'll leave it at this. On the properties here, and it's going to be 3/4 inches. Okay. Now we have our wall sections. Then we need details for our wall sections. Yep. So I'm going to just drag and drop this one right here. Good old mom's house. In here, I'll zoom in, and I'm going to activate this. Actually, I'm going to go to that sheet view. It's kind of better working over there. Where is it at? Go to my project browser. I'm just going to open this view right here. Okay, now in here, we got some extras going on there, but we'll fix that later. Now here we want to go and do our dimension here, our plate. We can show it on this drawing, but we're going to enlarge it on the next sheet. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say annotate component, detail component. Go to properties. I want to use the 2x4 here. And we'll drop that in there. This is just sort of a quick review here for this last one we got. And then I'm going to bring in my anchor here. Detail component. Got an anchor. Anchor bolt, 1/2 inch diameter. Might want to flip that around. I don't want that to go into the wall, so that'll be, can I rotate this with the space bar? No, but I can do this. I can mirror it. So we just select it, mirror it in place with no copy. Uh-oh, wrong way. Undo that. Or I might be able to adjust this. No, I'll just mirror it. So you just select this guy and mirror it. I go, okay, there you go. And I'll do our insulation going through here. I might want to put this in shaded view so we can see it better, I guess. No. Well, let's go back to hidden line. This is basically how you want to show this, because shaded view is for presentation, and we're not presenting anything. So I'm going to go all the way up here. And I'm going to put a plate on the top as well. Uh, 2x4. Now I'll go on the top, right about there. Now then I'm going to add this one to my wall section sheet. It was sheet A10 here. Okay, we're already in there. I'm going to activate this view now. And I'm going to pull this down. And then we've got our wall section. So here, once we're in this drawing, we can do things like dimensions, call out certain deals. So here, there's our second floor line. Okay, now here, we can add our dimensions. So I'm going to activate this view here. Now a lot of this stuff won't show up in the print, So here you can go annotate alignment. We just say from the gutter here down to the finished floor line there. Then it's joist size down to your footing and your bottom of footing. So you can do that. You might want to put that inside or out. You can turn these off, but I leave them on in mine. And we'll deactivate this view. Come here because these are not all the same. As you can see, they're different heights and different locations except for the floor, the footing, the foundation. So I'm going to go here. Same deal. Now I'm not going to bore you with all that. Now I'm going to look at our next drawing here. Just to run through this real quickly. Our next drawing in our sheet list is going to be, okay, a wall section details. So now to do a detail, we'll just do this, simple. We'll zoom in here and go to our view tab and go into properties. And here, where are we at here? View. Okay, now this we go into the sheet. Well, I need to activate this view. So I just activate this view here. And then I'll do a detail. We'll put one there. Probably set that there like that. That's one of them. And then in my project browser, they will views, under the views, they'll start popping up under wall sections. I'll find them in a minute. I'm going to deactivate this view. Then we'll have the same thing up here for this one. So this is pretty straightforward. I think you guys get what's happening here. Activate this view. We'll call out rectangular. Just pull that out there like that. All we want on this drawing is probably the overall dimensions. I'm going to deactivate this one. Go under this guy here. We got a window there, so we want to detail that. You might want two in here. And then over here, we want to go to top. So now, I'm going to go in my project browser, and there are my wall section callouts here. And let's go with this one now. Same deal. Activate this guy. And then here, we go under this, basically put it one there. Now, for our next sheet, our details, I'll get one on the top here as well. So now what's going to happen is, on this template, we're going to go and add these details to our next sheet, which is our, let me deactivate this, which is going to be our wall section detail. So here, I might skip that one, go back to the sheets. Now let's open this sheet here, number details. Uh-oh, what's going on there? Jeez. Okay, now there's our sheet for our details, and then it's just a matter of dragging and dropping the views. So go back to views. Here's the view one. You might want to line them up in some kind of order. That's one. Yeah, that's a good scale. They even gave me a good scale for a good one, Revit. There's another detail. And there's another one. I think you will want to probably keep the tops on the top and the bottoms on the bottom. And then we got this one. So I'm going to leave it there, folks. That's just wanted to show you how these details are going to work. Let's see. Do I have another one here? This one, two. Oh, there's another one. Okay, so I'll do tops on the top and the bottoms on the bottom. So we go at the bottom here, bottom there. There's a top here. So you get the idea. That's basically how this works. And then, you know, you go in and do your notes and everything. And I'm going to clean this up and come back to you in the next video. Okay, now here, now this is what happens with your drafting views. You got to redo this now. So here in the detail view, that doesn't come across. Okay, so here I'm going to go and activate this view. And you have to go in and okay, that's our wood piece anyway. We brought that in. So here we go and annotate. We have to show our insulation. So drafting view stuff doesn't come across, as you all might know. And then here, we can tag these now. And then I'm going to go activate this one. Deactivate, activate. Here. So this is what happens when you deal with drafting. They don't come across. So we got to go and put this stuff in again. So I probably should have done it. Didn't have to do it over there. I could have just did it in the details. So here we're gonna go annotate detail component. We're gonna go to properties. And we're gonna go with our 2x4. Rotate it around, place it there, delete that one. So I'm going to take care of this stuff, folks, and I'll see you. Come on, delete. Okay, so this is kind of repetitious here. Didn't have to be. And then I'm going to go add my insulation here. So these are your details, and they're going to be mostly drafted out. And then I'm going to go with my detail component. It's going to be my 2x4. Oh, I'm sorry, my anchor bolt. And again, we rotate that around. So yeah, so this might be the only tedious thing here with the details. You got to do them over. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it there and catch you guys in the next video. I'm gonna finish this up and clean all this up here because I gotta put all of my finishes and details in my detail drawing. So we've got in our wall sections and our details going. So hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. Helps me make these videos for you all the time. So there's our detail. This has got a janky here. I need to fix that. But hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Be safe, y'all. Bye.